Akila is a centralized cloud data platform that redefines building and portfolio performance management. With Akila, aggregate data in one single supervision and operation environment, where our own apps as well as third parties are available. Asset managers can report on carbon emissions, protect their asset value, and plan for future retrofits, while occupiers can monitor and optimize their utility consumption as well as their maintenance operations. Take a walk with us through our in-house apps. Our portfolio management cockpit enables you to navigate and compares performance across your sites, enhancing several key metrics, all within a single platform. With the Energy Suite, users can run detailed energy analysis, set consumption alarms, and break down costs by equipment. With our machine learning optimization module, you can optimize HVAC systems to achieve up to 20% energy savings. Forget about old CMMS. Our maintenance module equips your facility teams with tools to handle daily operations efficiently and ensure transparency from the boiler room to the boardroom. Transition from reactive work orders to predictive maintenance, where live data identifies issues before they arise. We also developed the first of its kind 3D Engine Suite, combining advanced BIM modeling with live data. This tool provides unmatched clarity and insight for smarter decision making. Why wait to engage on your journey to net zero? With Akila, you can lay the foundation for a sustainable future. Akila, digitalize to decarbonize.